Hey everybody, this is Ethan with Ford Chrysler, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what the Sync 3 system does. First things first, you got to pair your phone to the system, so you're going to go to Settings, Phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
Then you're going to go into your device, and you're going to select the vehicle.
Confirm that the pin displayed on Sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
And so, when you make sure that the pair is correct, you'll hit pair on your phone and yes on the screen. It'll ask you,
for your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
It'll ask you to allow your contacts or favorites to sync, and I'm going to. So now we should be able to access our phone. Now that you have access to your phone on your vehicle, you'll have access to your contacts, your recent call list. You'll be able to turn it to Do Not Disturb. You'll have access to your text messages. If it's an iPhone, you'll have access to Siri. What's the weather like today?
It's currently cloudy and 57 degrees in Franklin. Today's high will be 62 degrees, and the low will be 57.
On top of just having Sync 3, Ford also provided support for Apple Carplay. Apple Carplay will allow you to control some apps from your iPhone using the touchscreen on the vehicle, as well as using the steering wheel and Siri. So to hook that up, you're going to plug your USB cable down into the cable port. Then you're going to plug your phone in. Once you get your phone plugged in, it'll take a second. You'll have to connect it. Then now it recognizes that it is an Apple phone and it sets up the Apple CarPlay. The benefit of this is that the vehicle will now give you access to apps on your phone without you having to distract yourself and actually use your phone. So for example, if you wanted to change the song, you could simply go to Music, Artists, search through who you would like to listen to, and then you'll hit play. Similar for other things, you've got your maps directly at your phone, which will use all of the settings that you have already in your Apple Maps. And that's the basics for how to hook your phone up to Apple CarPlay using Sync 3. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we'll post videos of us walking around some of the cool vehicles we get in stock, as well as showing you some of the features of those vehicles.